In the world of crypto, we are spoilt with choice. We've got so many chains that we can explore, so many altcoins, so many different tokens. And I think sometimes you just need to really sort of have a slightly diverse portfolio. Make sure you've got a few of those blue chips in there, some medium caps, some small caps, some larger caps. Just accumulate in that bear market and just hold for a long period of time. So in this video, we're looking at some altcoins I think truly do quite well. And let's be honest, we're seeing an absolute dip in the markets for alts. Alts are bleeding out over the last 7 days, some down 20-30%, some down even more. So we're just going to jump right in. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you like crypto, altcoins and all that thing. And let's just get right into it, I would say. So coin number one is going to be Polygon. Polygon Matic has had quite a tremendous drop over the last month, and it's something I'm starting to recognize actually from $5.78 billion market cap down to $4 billion over the last 30 days. You can see the all-time high here by market cap is $20 billion. So it's about 75 to 80% down from the overall top in 2021. That was the last time we saw the all-time high here for Polygon Matic. So seeing at 41 cents, one of the lowest sort of prices we've ever seen for Matic, I do think we will eventually get another bounce out of the hole for this particular coin. If you're bullish on Ethereum, then you should also be bullish on Polygon or Matic. I think they've got a very synergetic relationship, so it could be worth looking at. So here we can see Polygon Tech, Web3 aggregated, enabling an infinite scalable web of sovereign blockchains that feels like a single chain. So yeah, I'm still super bullish on Polygon, and I will always be bullish on it, but it's sad to see the price coming down, whether that's just because of general kind of competition or saturation or just lack of growth. I'm not entirely sure what on-chain data would reflect, but it looks like they're still pushing hard, and I think it's just a bad market condition for a great coin. So seeing Polygon come back down to the 40 cents region makes me, of course, naturally want to scoop up some of this and be greedy, while others are fearful. So coin number one absolutely does go to Polygon Matic in this particular video. Coin number two will be Uniswap, one of the basically the biggest DEX in the entire crypto space. If you don't know what Uniswap is, maybe you're not like a DeFi kind of guy, but it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, decentralized exchange out there in the crypto space. Uniswap, ERC20, Ethereum. So we can see market cap 3.6 billion at 2 days, current price. The previous market cap all-time high was 21 billion. So I think it's going to be difficult to see Uniswap get back to those numbers, of course, with competitor chains. We've got many other chains out there now that do very well, like Tron, Solana, Binance Smart Chain. But typically it still sits at the very, very top of the mountain. Because it's got a large market cap, it does mean you're not going to be as likely to get like a 10 to 100x, but I still think it's a good blue chip to be holding on to. And it's come down from $9 billion since March 2024, which is not really that long ago. Actually, no, not even March. I've got this completely wrong. Actually it is March, so March 2024. So over the last 6 months, it's come down over 50% in price. So it could again be offering a decent sort of area to be kind of dollar cost averaging into and having a little look at. So $6 for one single Uniswap. Before it was trending at $15. It come down. It's only been in a downtrend ever since, but it could be starting to get to a bottom here, folks. I don't know how much lower honestly Uniswap can keep on going before we're truly in a bear market territory. So yeah, coin number two will be Uniswap. Now moving on, I just want to say thank you to all the new patrons, crypto legends, or just members in my Patreon group. If you're looking to also get new trading signals, VIP access, alpha calls, the next sort of best sort of alts, meme coins to buy, be sure to check out my Patreon group, which is just down below. Down there you'll find it, which will unlock all those benefits in my VIP Discord. So please check it out. Over 500 patrons, which is amazing to see. And of course, we want to help more people change their lives, achieve that time, financial and location freedom. Moving on to coin number three is Topg 1500. This is a meme coin with a real strong narrative. It's a guy that is effectively walking to Romania to meet Andrew and Tristan Tate recently. Some very, very juicy price action. We've seen a nice 20 to 30% pump to the upside, and it's on day 71 of walking from the UK to Romania. So not many people are doing something so special right now, where they're actually walking through many countries to go on a quest. I've got Doxed and KYC developer right there, as you can see on screen. Not many people can say this, that they've done this. It's got that trust level behind it because we know who the developer is, and there's some huge people working with and on this token right here. So it could still be a good one to be sort of hunting for a 3 to 5x. It's a low market cap gem of $1.55 million, 151k liquidity. It's a Solana based coin, only 3,000 holders for this particular project right here, and I think it could still be one that gets another big push to the upside. Maybe look for a 2 to 3x from this current position. It could do very well. Check it out down below. Coin number 4 is going to be Say. Say is another one that I've looked at many times, and it was in a wonderful run from sort of late 2023 through to the sort of Q1, Q2 of 2024. Had a massive run, and ever since it's now in a bit of a downward spiral again. So it went from $2.8 billion MC down to what we're currently at is $1 billion market cap. Not the best thing in the world, but overall we should start to see this sort of recoil and bounce back to the upside soon. 0.27, how much lower can it really go is the question I have to ask myself. Circ supply is 3.3 billion, so we've got 33% of the total supply. Now that can be a bit iffy because you need to understand the token schedule. How often are they emitting and releasing those tokens, because that will impact the price. Hopefully not too often, but always do your research and that sort of thing. So Say is the fastest layer 1, parallelizing the EVM. Join the Say community. It says here, happy Friday, Say community. It's been an impressive week as we highlight the incredible projects in the relentlessly growing Say gaming ecosystem. So also bringing on play to earn, metaverse, and all that entertainment stuff as well into that ecosystem. So really cool stuff. Still think it's going to have a big future, but it's hard to say exactly how far it will go. At least for me now, looks like a more appealing time to be buying into this altcoin than when it was back at way over $1. So it's over 70% down, which could offer something big for new investors. Coin number 5 will be Solana itself, one of the OGs. Here we can see Solana TVL is looking pretty strong over the last sort of few months. It's been really picking up. Now the TVL is nothing of 2021, which I find so surprising, but it's still picking up quite nicely. Solana itself, $132 over the last sort of month. It has been crawling down again from 160 down to 130. Typically when it gets to the 130-40 range, we do get another bounce back, and it is really hovering at a critical support level. So buying here could be wise, but it also could come back down to $100 or even lower in the future. So at least it's not like buying in at the euphoric tops at 180, but we're recognizing that it's coming down a bit over the last 7 days. Really has come down strong from 160 to $132. So Solana could still be a good one to be looking at. Of course, it's a very powerful blockchain itself. Solana gets so many dApps, NFTs, meme coins, projects built on it, and it will just keep on going up. It's made for mass adoption. It's got no end. It's so fast. You know, sometimes I send a Solana on transaction these days, and I'm just like, what the heck? I just click send, and the end user has got it within half a second. It's just crazy. Ethereum simply cannot compete with this. That's a wrap, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're new here, and these are 5 coins that I'm bullish on. But please remember as well, it's not financial advice. You got to go do your own research and get into the habit of doing your due diligence. See you soon. Bye for now. Peace.